Hi everyone, my name is Edward and today we have a quick tip for you. We got the new metallic confetti. We need to put all the metallic confetti inside one container because it will be easier for me work with that. Now we have all the confetti here. We need one 3-foot diamond clear latex. Remember, we need the high float to cover all the balloons with the metallic confetti. When you have all your high float inside the balloon, just massage your balloon to cover all the balloon with the high float. Now your balloon is ready to put all the confetti inside. Now we have all the confetti inside the balloon and we are ready to put helium inside. Now you have one balloon with confetti.